Stay tuned to see how easy it is to make this cute sign with the last chance transfer. This house was clean. Hi, this is Deborah here. Welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalking Creations. I am an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today I'm going to do a really quick video showing you how to use this last chance transfer. This house was clean. This is a really cute sign. It's quick and easy that you can use with a board and base. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Now this is an edited version. I will post a link down below if you would like to see the full version. And let's get started. Okay, the first thing I need to do is pull my transfer off my backer sheet. Be sure to keep that for storage. And you need to fuzz this probably 2 or 3 times. Now, the board and base is a reusable surface. So once you decide you want to change out this transfer, you can easily do that. Now, any of the products that I'm using for Chalk Couture, I will post an editable shopping cart link down below in the description box. Now remember, this is a last chance transfer, so that means that Chalk Couture will be pulling this transfer soon. Now, before I get started, as you can see with the board and base, there's a little bit of depth there. So I leave my board inside the base. That way I can align it. That way when I put on my transfer and my paste, I'm not covering some of my design. All right. With that said, I just put it on there. You can measure if you would like to. I just pretty much like to eyeball it. And I put my finger down in the middle. I'm going to remove the base really quick so that way it's on a flat surface. I move my finger up, down, then I go side to side, and then I just kind of smooth things over with my hands. So that way if there's any lumps or bumps from any fuzzies that could be underneath the transfer, like I have here, I got a little one there that I need to take off. That way it does not prevent your transfer from making such good contact with your surface. So that looks pretty good to me, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my paste here. Now I'm going to be using bright white and my small squeegee bevel edge. I'm going to dip it into the jar of paste with the bevel side, and I'm going to generously apply this to my transfer. I'm just going to make sure I have good coverage, and I'm using all one color. You can use whatever color that you choose to, but I thought the black would look, or the white paste would look really nice against the black. Now this is water soluble paste, which means you can clean it off. And like I said earlier, this surface is reusable. All right, I'm just going to put a little bit more on there just to make sure that I've got everything covered and it's good and even. And then I'm just going to scrape off that excess and on my squeegee back into my jar. And then with the bevel side, I'm just going to scrape off any excess paste, I should say, off my transfer. That way I know I have good even coverage. And just put that back into the jar. I'm going to put my cap on really quick to minimize drying out of my paste. And then it's going to be time for the peel and reveal. You start at the corners, slowly lift up, and then grab it in the middle. And then you just slowly peel it up. And then you see your design. And why you want to slowly peel it up is that way if you may have missed a spot or anything like that, then you can just lay it back down and touch it up. So let's see. That looks pretty good. And that is it. It is that quick and that easy. Only thing left to do is just let this dry and put it back, the board back in its base. And there you go. You've got a cute little sign. We've got our summer festivities coming up, and this would just be absolutely perfect to have a little bit of humor there. And I hope this gave you some ideas and you get an opportunity to get this last chance transfer before Chalk Couture takes it off the website. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a beautiful day.